Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure both devices meet requirements and are unlocked. This matters because the system pairs quickly when discovered. First, connect your Airpods to your iPhone so audio routing is active. Once done, bring the second person's device close, within a few inches, so iOS can detect availability. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. The feature uses both for low-latency streaming. Now, swipe into Control Center or tap the Now Playing card to prepare the Share Audio prompt. You tap the AirPlay icon and pick Share Audio. This sends a handshake to the nearby device so both sets can play the same source. While the prompt appears, keep devices close and unlocked. This avoids connection drops. When the second listener accepts, iOS creates separate volume controls so each person can set comfortable levels. Use the sliders in Control Center to fine-tune. If switching apps or videos, stay on the same output. The system remains active until you stop sharing. You finish by stopping Share Audio in Control Center, deselect the other headphones, or hit Disconnect for clarity. If audio stutters or lags, calm the situation by moving devices closer and turning Bluetooth off and on. This resets the wireless link. Make sure both sets have reasonable battery. Low battery can cause dropouts. If pairing fails entirely, restart the AirPods case or both iPhones, then repeat the Share Audio flow. This often resolves software hiccups and restores a
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.